Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another photo assignment. So for this one, what I'm going to be doing is actually following the Art of Photography YouTube channel by Ted Forbes. He is starting a new photo challenge on his channel. It's for the entire month of November, so I'm going to follow along with this one. I've done a couple of his challenges before. This is going to be the longest one. Usually it's just kind of a quick challenge or something to do that you can do in a day. This one is going to be the whole month, but it's kind of interesting because what it is it's using one lens on your camera, ideally a prime lens, when you're out shooting pictures for the entire month. So I'm going to be doing that. I'll be sharing the photos on my Instagram account. So everyone that you see posted for the month of November will be taken with this lens. It's the 35mm f2 from Fuji. It's from my Fuji X-T4. So I'm looking forward to giving that a try, seeing how my pictures kind of change over the month, and we'll get out doing some more shooting. I don't obviously post pictures every day, but I will do it as much as possible. And again, you can check it out on my Instagram. If you're wanting to follow along, I will link Ted's channel down below. You can see his kind of description of this assignment, but it is fairly simple. It's just using one lens on your camera for the entire month. Ideally, it is a prime lens. Obviously, then you're not tempted to choose and change the focal length. That being said, if you only have a camera with a kit lens, which is like the zoom type lens, just be diligent, join along, and just be diligent in not changing the zoom when you're taking pictures. I know it's going to be hard. That's maybe a bit more of a challenge than you're wanting to take, but that would be kind of fun to have everybody follow along. If you are going to be sharing and joining this photo challenge, I would love to see your pictures as well. So if you're sharing images on Instagram, leave me your down below. Let me know in a comment. Let me know what your Instagram account is. I know there's a few people that follow that are on Instagram, and I know who their accounts are. But if you could, and you're going to follow along, maybe share them as well. So if other people are watching, they can check out your channels and YouTube channels, Instagram accounts, that kind of stuff as well. That'd be great just to kind of share with everybody. So it's time, maybe dust off an old lens that you haven't used for a while. This is kind of new to me, but I don't use it a lot. So dust it off and it'll get some good use over the month. I'm looking forward to sharing some pictures with you and hopefully maybe joining you on Instagram as well, where we can look at each other's images. It's a lot of times I'm only kind of sharing here, so it's nice to see what other people are doing as well. So I'm looking forward to that and looking forward to seeing what November photo challenge brings. A little quick update though before we leave on the channel. It's another postcard is coming up. I've ordered more, so the postcard project will be continuing. So keep an eye on that for that video to come out. I should have them arrive in the next couple weeks, I think. They're just being printed and shipped right now. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, it'd be great to have you follow along, and then you can join in on our photo assignments, our postcard project, and also some of our Fuji tips and tricks videos. It's always appreciated. Again, thanks for all your comments, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I look forward to seeing your pictures.